MEGUS International Corporation was established in 1989 and is one of Taiwan's largest manufacturers of mechanical components, specializing in professional, small volume, and diverse equipment protection solutions. To date, we have built a customer base of over 10,000 clients in Taiwan. In 2006, in response to growing demand from domestic clients, we established a wholly owned trading subsidiary in Jiangsu Province, China. Adhering to our core values of honesty, communication, and win-win cooperation, we have served more than 2,000 customers to date. MEGUS boasts a highly professional and capable sales and R&D team. From the design stage, we can quickly modify designs or propose new solutions based on customer requirements and data, providing the most suitable equipment protection recommendations. Our product range includes cable carriers, bellows covers, wiper blades, roll-up covers, aluminum roller shutters, industrial water spray guns, and more. Over 20 types of products with a variety of material options. Our strong design capabilities solve challenges related to product lifespan and equipment space constraints. MEGUS's advantage lies in our diverse material options and integrated production process, from material sourcing and sheet metal laser cutting to final assembly, all according to design drawings. Our manufacturing processes include fabric folding, PVC board cutting, metal scale cutting, sewing and assembly. Finished products undergo thorough meetings, communication, and optimization to ensure customer satisfaction. All MEGUS equipment supports customization and rapid production, enabling us to deliver much faster than our competitors and support urgent customer orders. Our clients include leading domestic and international companies such as Beijing Haibao Precision Machinery, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Japan, AGP Group Belgium, JYOTI CNC India, and many more. We maintain strict quality control with 100% manual inspection of all customized products before shipment. MEGUS continually strives for excellence at every stage, ensuring product quality and customer peace of mind. After shipping, we also conduct routine inventory checks to prepare stock for customers and ensure readiness for the next order. With solid manufacturing capabilities, MEGUS meets customer needs, upholding Made in Taiwan quality and marketing worldwide. We are actively expanding our market, seizing new business opportunities, and creating new milestones for our company. We warmly welcome both new and existing customers to contact us by phone or email for inquiries.